Panguva ino social media yanachakanaka. Taona kuti Minnie Baloyi, she recently posted a post. She made a post encouraging women to respect their husbands, especially in public, but they can solve their disputes when they are alone. But panguva ino tuna kuti pane nauyo buda panguva ino nyoka ichinzi Minnie Baloyi pushes statement that encourages weak chivayo oppressing ex-wife. Sana bila mashuko mdaji kwa panguva ino, don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tuna ZVAITWA, you know buda echi you make a post. Want to read a post you make one is ZVAITWA, you know buda nyora echi. At a time, most women are teaming to assist Sonjama Kanda. Why on earth has Minnie Baloyi published something that encourages the convicted Chigananda Wikno Chivayo on his lawsuit against his ex-wife? Baloyi is doing this at a time legal analysts say her husband Chiwenga is the greatest person set to benefit from Sonja's legal fight against Chivayo. She is also published this at a time Chivayo is insisting that Sonja must accept him as in a polygamy, continue as his first wife. Ndoma developments are rubuda chikumendewa nezim ajiri. Why is it Minnie Baloyi arkuyachisaidira with Chivayo? I want to read a post which was made by Minnie Baloyi recently. Yaita kuti ZVAITWA is make this post. I once wrote discouraging ladies from calling their husbands import dogs. Ndingatuka pano. But I'm back again with my ministry because I believe marriages are under attack and it's our duty as a religious people to protect that institution. My advice today is chero ungasama say mnangagwaZim, never insult your husband in public, but in closed doors you can even beat him, no problem, just kid him. Iva mubaziri akakwana with that Proverbs 31:23 woman will make sure the husband is respected at the city gate where he takes his seat among the elders of the land. Do mashuka nobuda chitoko panapa na Minnie Baloyi. Imbotu zema fungure any motu kudipa msoro pe ye post. Comment section medu, subscribe or like, share on the bell icon.